subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Capitec Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by Brother Mutia.
Steve,
I'm good, my brother.
you know, Steve, when I came here, I just came to see Mamelodi Sundowns versus AmaZulu.
Yes.
The way AmaZulu they played when they play on the Paris at Kings Park.
Yes,
but today, Arthur Zwane, he never came to the party.
You saw the game.
Arthur Zwane is like Eric Tinkler.
Hey.
When they came to Sundowns, they sold the game.
All the time.
How can you beat you hold Paris 2-2?
Yes.
But you were beaten here 5-5. No, man, no. And you have got a good striker.
Yes.
Ngwenya.
Yes.
He scored the brace Ngwenya.
Yes.
So Arthur Zwane,
They don't give him supply.
No, I don't take him serious anymore.
They put we goalkeepers.
Each and every team when they play Sundown,
Yes.
they relax.
They are scared of Sundown.
So okay, well done to Mamelodi Sundown.
Yes, Mr.
Because they come to the party,
Yeah.
they redeemed themselves from 1-0 from Ghana Rose. Today they win 5-2.
Yes.
And also Shibo, you know Sundown.
Yes, Mr.
What I like about Sundown,
Yes,
each and every game they concede. It's what I like about Sundown.
Yeah. Williams, no clean sheet.
Williams, no clean sheet.
Yes.
Peter Stanley, Chiefs, no clean sheet.
Yes.
That's why now each and everyone
Yes.
who can dispute
Yeah.
that Sipo China is the best goalkeeper in South Africa.
That's true.
I don't know.
Yes.
Because
Williams cannot clean sheet.
China, goalkeeper of number 1, Muzanzi. He doesn't have a.
Williams cannot clean sheet.
Sipo.
Williams cannot clean sheet.
Sipo. William clean sheet. Sipo. How they behave because my plus. They just penala. Williams, we must come to the part. And Sibo, I suspect Williams. I'm sure Williams he bet.
Yes.
Or his family's bet.
He's match fixing.
Yeah, because both him to score.
All the time.
I'm sure he give people the goal bet 20,000, both him to score.
Yeah.
Because he will open.
Yeah.
So Steve, welcome. You see last week I spoke.
Yes.
That Koza and Zwane,
They're not working.
They're too slow.
Yes.
That's why today they bring Kekan.
Yes.
He was good at the back.
He was great.
And Steve also, we spoke about Tiwa Mkwena.
Yes.
There's no Sundown without Tiwa Mkwena.
Yeah.
Today he shows when he came in.
Yeah.
That goal.
Yeah, top goal.
Also Leon Sibo.
Yes.
That goal, first goal.
Top notch.
Top notch. That's why they buy him.
Yes.
But Leon, he's still number 2.
Yes, behind who?
On Butuma.
Yeah.
Sibo. Yesterday. If you saw yesterday,
Yes,
we play with most of the players of the Paris is 2000.
Yes, Rajopa and you.
It's only Jane Otto who's the oldest one.
Yes.
And Spochai.
Yes, Mr.
But the rest,
you.
and I like our coach because our coach yesterday, he played 50 games.
Yes.
He won 37.
Yes.
He drew 8.
Yes.
He lost 5.
Yes, Mr.
So Coach Wadu, well done for the 50 games for achieving at Paris. We love you so much. Sibo.
Thank you, Mr.
Sibo, Sunday. Sibo, Sunday.
Yes, Mr. Mda.
Saturday I'm playing,
Yes.
Sunday I'm going to Durban.
Yes.
I'm going to see Golden Rose versus Sundown.
Yes, what's going to happen?
I need Sundown on the final.
Yes.
Sibo, Sundown has been long not playing the cup final.
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
So I need them.
Yes.
I want to bring them in front of everyone. It's been long. Let's Sibo. Thank you, Sibo.